Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and drying the area. This removes oils so the sticker adheres. Once done, test one small sticker for 10-15 minutes to confirm no irritation. You then peel the backing slowly, hold the sticker at the edges to avoid smudging. Place it flat on skin, aligning edges exactly where you want the design. Press the center down first, then work outward. Make sure there are no air bubbles because they cause uneven transfer. You now focus on transfer. Smooth the sticker from the center outward to eliminate air pockets. This ensures even contact. If instructions allow, apply gentle heat or pressure for 30-60 seconds to activate pigments. Use a warm compress or low heat from a hairdryer at arm's length. Once positioned and activated, leave the sticker undisturbed. Patience matters. Let it sit for 6 hours or overnight for a deeper stain. Make sure you avoid water and excessive movement while the dye sets. You finish by peeling the sticker slowly, keeping it parallel to the skin to prevent smearing. If any adhesive remains, remove it with light oil or warm soapy water, then pat dry. Afterward, moisturize lightly and avoid scrubbing for 24 hours so the stain can oxidize and darken. If the stain is too faint, you can reapply another sticker or use a stain enhancer per product instructions, but make sure you've tested for skin sensitivity first. This avoids reactions and ensures a richer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.